Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today I want to show you how we bundle up our pallet boards. Hey, in case you don't know, I know you know that we make a lot of things, and I know you know that we paint a lot of things, but you may not know that we also sell a ton of loose pallet boards. We ship them all over the country. We ship thousands of them a month. It's a big part of our business, and I wanted to show you what makes us a little bit different, because you can get pallet boards anywhere. So why would you get them from us? I'm going to show you. Some of our bundles already bundled up and ready to go. Here's some of our loose pallet boards that we're going to use today. I want to show you what we do. We take about 30 or 40 of these boards. We strap them up so it binds them up really tightly. Then we wrap the ends so they don't slide out. And then we tape and we shrink wrap our labels and our packing lists on there. So that's one really nice thing that we do. But that's only the beginning. Okay, so another difference is the quality of the boards that we're sending out. Could we send out all these boards? Yes, we could. Is this kind of what you're gonna get from just about anybody else you get pallet boards from? Probably, but you won't get this from us. This is kind of jacked up. I mean, it's kind of cool looking, but if you look on in here, oh, look at this. So this has got some funky stuff. Oh, it's got whole nails. So this will never go out. We will never send pallet boards out with this crap right here. Like on this board, you might have nail heads. Oh, if they poke through a little bit, we'll make sure we get those out. You might have some nail heads, something like that. That looks better. Okay, that'll go out. But really what we're looking for are things like, this is the perfect board to me. I mean, it's got some nail heads in it. It's not split. It's not broken. It's squared on both ends. No nails sticking out prominently here on the back. This is the perfect board, so we're gonna look for your order to have all of stuff like this. Another thing you're gonna get from us is like, okay, let's say when you see this bundle right here, it's got about 25 boards, and one of these boards is about 1 square foot. Obviously, the wider boards are going to be more than a square foot, but you're paying for 25 square feet. But you're going to get a mix of wide and narrow boards, so really you're getting about 30 square feet of boards for the 25 square foot price. And we do this on every single bundle. So that is how it's done. If you're asking yourself, if you've ever been asking yourself, why should I get pallet boards from Apple Valley Farm? This is why. You can get pallet boards anywhere. You can do it yourself if you want to, but you can buy them from dozens of places. We're definitely not the only game in town, but I do like to believe that we are the best, and this is why. Give us a shout at info@applevalleyfarmga.com or hook up with us over at www.applevalleyfarmga.com or hook up with us on any of your favorite social media sites. We are there. Hey, we just got on TikTok. Hey, thanks again. Have a great day, and we will see you next time. Take care.